Here are some workshop points that I would go over. First is going over the 21st century skills, for example, the 4 C's, and making sure everyone really understands them. So these could be the 4 C's, which are communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity, or even understanding some of the other skills, which are problem solving, analytical thinking, and ethics and accountability. Next, it's important to understand the different technological tools that we can use. For example, you could use social bookmarking to share resources with students, bring in a video to show in class, or even show pictures in class time. Even understanding how to detect plagiarized work in students' assignments is very important for a 21st century teacher. Next is understanding the ISTE standards. And these standards help to inspire creativity and engage students. It also works with technology to incorporate some of those tools to help students learn as much as possible. It also promotes technology for the teachers and students. Next is creating connection between those skills and tools. So for example, you could work communication, one of the skills, into your lesson by using technology, some of the tools. For example, you could use polling software to use communication in your classroom or outside. So that brings us to the next point, using tools outside of the classroom. So you could use that polling software outside of the class to communicate with students to start projects or other assignments. You could even assign a video for students to watch outside of class to help them prepare for the next day and discussion. And next is to continue broadening your knowledge of technology. So you may know how to use some technology on the computer. So for example, you may know how to use PowerPoint, but you might not know how to use other slides. So even though you know how to use one thing, it's important to keep learning and using different things to open up more possibilities for the teacher. Those are some important workshop points.